Ours are high temperatures today. We got back into the upper 80s in Boston and Lawrence, 87 in Portsmouth, and 85 degrees there in Plymouth. So a nice summer-like day, and as our weather observations posted, a lot of that humidity is gone. So we're seeing those clearing skies, the more comfortable conditions building on in. A few showers making their way through the capital region of New York into the Berkshires. None of that's going to make it into eastern Mass. So we do have a clear and calm night tonight. We do have a few clouds that will build in tomorrow, but more sunshine than clouds until we see maybe some evening showers. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures falling into the middle 60s, waking up with a lot of sunshine, and then a few clouds building on in by the time we get to about noontime. Temperatures near 80 degrees by noon. And overall, an afternoon high of 84 degrees. I mentioned that late isolated sprinkle chance. That's going to be around dinner time and afterwards. I think many of us actually remain completely dry throughout the day tomorrow. And it's also going to be a really nice day if you want to go beach or boating. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Winds will be a little bit breezy, so definitely take it easy on the seas with winds out of the west at 12 to 25 miles per hour. The water's still a little bit cold, though, to dip your toes there in the ocean. Here is the pollen forecast. I don't have allergies. It just sounds like I have allergies. Tomorrow is going to be the worst day over the next 4. We actually see pollen levels on the low side Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Hour by hour keeps us clear as we go into the overnight. In fact, as we go into tomorrow, though, we are building some clouds. And look at what knocks on our doorstep by Monday. Monday, we're going to watch a chance for showers. A lot of this is going to dissipate by the time it reaches eastern Mass, so I do think that we have a few dry days ahead. So here's our WBZ 7-day forecast. Mid-80s for Sunday, low 80s for Monday, upper 70s for Tuesday, mostly dry through the next 3 days, and importantly, low humidity values. By Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, starting to build that humidity back just a little bit. And by Friday, starting to knock on 90 degrees doorstep.